Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix application error a client-side exception has occurred in Safari Chrome on iPhone. To fix this issue in iPhone, first launch the Setting application. Scroll down to see Apps and tap on it. Now scroll down to see Safari and tap on it. In Safari page, scroll down and find Clear History and Website Data and tap on it. Next, select All History and tap on Clear History at the bottom of the page. Method 2. Update the Safari browser. For that, open the App Store. Tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner of the page and search for Safari browser. Tap on it. Here, if any new update is available for Safari, update it. Solution 3. Reboot your iPhone. To reboot your iPhone 15 Pro, follow these steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release the side button.